Americans can have confidence that the banking system is safe. Your deposits will be there when you need them. Small businesses across the country, the deposit accounts at these banks can breathe easier knowing they'll be able to pay their workers and pay their bills. All customers who had deposits in these banks can rest assured, rest assured they'll be protected and they'll have access to their money as of today.
Breaking news, President Biden reassuring the American people this morning that the banking system is safe following the collapse of 2 banks in 2 days. U.S. Treasury Department says depositors will not lose their money. KTLA's Eric Spillman live in Brentwood now with more. Eric, good morning.
Well, good morning, Jessica. We're at First Republic Bank here in Brentwood, and this is a bank that has a kind of a similar profile to the Silicon Valley Bank, which failed on Friday. It's a regional, smaller bank. And so you have some customers here who are quite nervous about the safety of their money, despite what the president says. This morning, we had a line of a few people in front of the bank here waiting to get in to withdraw their money. Now, the sign over here says the bank opens at 9 in the morning. However, bank employees were here very early this morning, and they opened the bank up at 6:45 to let those customers in so they could take their money out. We spoke to a customer named Tim. What are you concerned about for yourself?
The well-being of my family, the money that I have saved throughout my life. I can't take a chance. That's all it comes down to.
What are you going to do?
Withdraw money and put it in one of the big banks, just for safekeeping till everything's straightened out.
Yeah, on Saturday, people waited in line in the rain here at this First Republic branch to try and withdraw their savings. Over the weekend, the bank said it had shored up its finances with additional funding from the Federal Reserve and J.P. Morgan Chase. The bank's CEO says its capital and liquidity positions are very strong. But for many customers, it's hard to ignore the headlines. On Saturday, the FDIC took over Signature Bank, which has 4 branches in Southern California, after New York regulators closed it down to protect its deposits. That followed Friday's closure of Silicon Valley Bank, based in Santa Clara, which had $200 billion in assets. It's the largest bank failure in the U.S. since 2008. This morning, President Biden is promising that all Silicon Valley Bank customers and Signature Bank customers would have access to all of their money beginning today. The FDIC has also said that applies to those with holdings greater than the $250,000 insurance limit. The problem that's happening is that some banks are having trouble dealing with rising interest rates. All of a sudden, they have to pay more interest on deposits while their assets are losing value. Last night, the Federal Reserve announced a new plan to stabilize the banking industry. We heard President Biden talking about it this morning. Banks that need cash will be able to borrow it from the Fed. The government has set aside $25 billion to offset any losses. But as we've seen here this morning at this particular branch, those reassurances sometimes are not having an impact on customers. They're still worried about their money, and we've spoken to many of them who are coming here to withdraw everything now and bring it to a larger bank because they think that's a safer decision. We'll send it back to you.